Aloha there. We're almost at the halfway mark, and you're doing great. Now, after all this learning about toxins, today's short and sweet lesson will be even more germane. It's called the 6 ways to begin to reduce your toxic load. Now, so far in the 30-day Serious Cleanse Challenge, we've been focusing a lot on toxins, and for some, it can start to feel a little heavy. But I really want to reassure you that you're doing everything you possibly can to counteract toxins with the Serious Cleanse 30-day challenge, with the companion cleanse, the cleansing kit, the protocol. I know it takes effort, but I just want to say you're doing great. Now, remember, it's what we do most of the time that counts. And in the Serious Cleanse Challenge, we're detoxifying your home, your body, your car, your workplace, your whole life, step by step. And I'm here with you as your guide. Now, as you move through this course, I'll consistently give you more ways to go deeper, just like today's lesson. So I'll let you get to it. Enjoy your self-care, and I'll see you tomorrow. Aloha.